Hello Techies, welcome to my channel Techno Network. So today in IT, in cybersecurity or even in DevOps, the biggest issue that we have is to monitor our network and to look at the large amount of data at once. For example, if there is one machine or two machines, then yeah, it is easier to read the logs of those two machines and it is not time consuming also. But what if there are thousands of machines, thousands of servers? So it is not feasible for a human being to go through each and every machine and read the logs from those machines. And in today's scenario, every organization generates huge amount of data, and these data is generated by multiple machines, multiple applications, multiple networking devices. So understanding these machine data is so much hard and time consuming for an end user also. So this is where Splunk come into the picture. So today's session is all about the Splunk. Before moving forward, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe it. Thank you. So what is Splunk? Splunk is one of the leader and helping us analyzing large amount of data in one central location. Splunk is a software, or I would say, is a powerful platform to monitor and analyzing the machine-generated data. Splunk converts those machine-generated data into a meaningful and human-readable logs in a real time. Splunk, as you can see on the screen, I have written SIEM tool. Splunk is also SIEM tool. Splunk is an analytics tool also for investigating and accessing the potential threat by injecting event logs from the multiple sources. We can also refer Splunk tool as a database which has its own specific language called SPL, Search Processing Language. Now, what is the use of Splunk? If an organization has thousands of servers and multiple applications running on those servers, so those applications are running perfectly or not, if there is an error or not, this thing monitors by the Splunk. Splunk monitors all these applications and servers. If any error comes in this application and server, then a Splunk sends a notification to an administrator or the user. Now, I would say the example of the error, it means like if any server went down or application is not running or any storage error, if any error comes, then Splunk sends a notification to the administrator or the user. On Splunk, we can create multiple graphs and dashboard to see if any alert is there or not. So this is all about the Splunk basics. In my upcoming videos of Splunk, I will be telling you about the Splunk products, Splunk architecture, and we will install the Splunk on our machine and we will get some hands-on on that. We will get hands-on by adding some data and we'll search some queries on the Splunk. So thank you for watching this video. If you have learned something from this video, please do like it, subscribe it, and share it with your colleagues and friends. Thank you.